Little storyteller.
Noah loved the park. The sun was warm, the birds sang sweetly, and the big green trees danced in the breeze. His favorite thing at the park was the bright red swing set. Today a girl with bright yellow boots was swinging very high. Noah watched, his hands tucked in his pockets, wishing he could swing too. He had a fluffy blue bunny tucked under his arm. He wanted to ask for a turn, but the words felt stuck in his throat like a giggle he couldn't let out. He watched the girl's yellow boots fly back and forth, back and forth. The swing looked like so much fun. His fluffy bunny seemed to nod, as if saying, "You can ask, Noah." Taking a deep breath, Noah walked closer to the swing set. The girl was still swinging, her red hair bouncing in the air. When she slowed down a little, Noah said in a small but clear voice, "Excuse me, please." The girl in yellow boots looked at Noah. Her eyes were kind. She stopped swinging and rested her feet on the ground. "Yes?" she asked with a smile. Noah held his fluffy bunny a little tighter. "Could I have a turn on the swing when you are finished?" "Please?" he asked politely. "Of course," said the girl. "I was just about to be done. Here you go." She hopped off the swing and held the seat for Noah. Noah's face lit up. He carefully sat down on the smooth red seat, holding his fluffy bunny safely. He held the cool metal chains and started to swing gently, at first. Soon he was swinging higher and higher, feeling the wind in his hair. It felt wonderful. The girl with the yellow boots watched him swing and smiled. When Noah's turn was over, he hopped off and thanked her. "Thank you for letting me have a turn," he said. "You're welcome," she replied. Then she asked, "Do you want to swing together?" There was another swing right next to hers, empty and waiting. Noah's eyes widened. "Yes, please," he said happily. He ran to the empty swing and sat down. Soon both Noah and the girl with the yellow boots were swinging side by side, laughing as they went up and down. Noah learned that sometimes, all you need to do is ask politely to have fun with others. As they swung, the girl said, "It's more fun to swing with a friend." Noah nodded, his fluffy bunny bobbing along with him. He was so glad he had found his voice, and asked for a turn. Now he had a friend to swing with. Educational element. Did you know that asking politely for something you want is a kind and respectful way to talk to others? It often helps everyone have a happier time playing together.
Please subscribe. Thank you.